Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Sorry if my voice sounds like crap. I am sick right now. So I'm just going to do some updates and read some of your comments and what's going to be happening on this channel for more projects. That's going to be added on to it as well. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord if you want to support us as well. I am going to put a link down probably in a day or two for the registry for Amazon for my birthday. If you want to get me anything for my birthday, majority of the stuff is Warhammer and paints and paintbrush as well. This is usually the time I get a lot of stuff for the channel so I can paint and expand more to it. For it, right now we are working on the Plague Toad. These are 3D printed. I just ordered in 10 more bottles of resin. Half those bottles of resin will go to Ashley. She wants to paint some anime figure for this channel. So, uh, as a good husband, you gotta have to do what you gotta do to make your wife happy as well. I am getting a Leviathan box. I'm getting two boxes of Leviathan. One, I am going halvesies with my friend for it. Uh, I'm just taking the marine part, and the second one, I'm taking the whole box for myself. Because the way and goal of the Warhammer is get us all the factions that you can get, every freaking little faction. That's my big goal is, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. Get every single little faction as I can get for it. And the box that looks pretty good, and it is a very good deal for it as well. And in this month, on the 27th, I am going to buy the Speed Paint 2.0 Complete Edition, and I'm going to try to get some money for other things as well. So let's read the comments, and we're going to call it for a day. Milkman, love the models. Hope to see the Archer results. The artist, I think, trying to say artist research or art. I don't know what Archer results is, but thank you. Sim, really awesome looking. Props to you, man. I love your miniature. Please continue making content. Thank you. I will. Carman, this looks super good. Thank you very much. Yeah, I do a lot of. I'm thinking of going to Fiverr, and basically, if you want me to paint your miniatures, I'll probably end up going to do that for a price for it. So let's see here. Lightning Wolf 788 said, I wish 3 Beasts of Nurgle was $60. One Beast of Nurgle cost 60 plus. And I just found that out too in Warhammer. So one Beast of Nurgle cost $60, but me paying three of them cost me about $4. So I save a lot of money on printing stuff than buying GW stuff. Problem with that is that I won't be able to use my printed 3D printed Beast Nurgle on GW game store. So one day, if I have the money, I'll buy it. But other than that, I just go to other game stores and play with my friends or at their houses or my house as well. Mikey Jazz DJ says looks nice. Thank you. Patriot Gaming, painting the enemy army that heresy soldier best not let the Inquisition find out. They're gonna find out. I'm gonna have all the factions on it, and I'm gonna let them love and kiss each other on the board for that. Patriot Gaming for it. See here. Munch, good luck. Thank you. 27th, good luck. Thank you. Looking cool, dude. I love the blue. Thank you. This is the Tyranid thing we're going through. Painting my friend's Tyranid. I have my own set of Tyranid when the Leviathan set comes out. So that is one thing I am waiting for, the Leviathan set to finally be released. So I can get 2 boxes of it. I just looked and it seems the models on Cult was taken down. Sorry. Yeah, a lot of the stuff on Cult now is being taken down through the GW. If you find stuff, I wish you as fast as possible download as many as you can for it. The tinners with Planetara Ravagers. If you're looking to 3D print Xenotrope, there is a good AFK arc file on Cult 3D. So yeah, I might, I don't know, because I am going to 3D print a lot of the Tyranid army as well. Molly Fisher looks dope, bro. Great job, thank you. JJ, I love all the way these guys can be paid. Get paid. Amazing job, thank you. Which league did you go with? That must be a lesser known Old Town League. Not familiar with the blue. I just painted whatever of it. I don't know too much the lore of the Voltan. I know they're like have the guilds and the Voltan's AI and stuff like that, but I am not ready to build a Voltan army yet. I just paid that for Void to get the because we're collabing together for it as well. Tony Diaz, well, these look tiny. What's the scale? I think that is 32, 28 millimeter, the older scale. I think 8th, 9th edition for those. Uh, yeah, now BMO, Aloy Wolf, oh, the poor little sweetie. I hope she feels all better soon and get the nasty old stinking cone off her head. Praise to her for a quick recovery. BMO is fully recovered. Her stitches are finally kind of gone, but still, some of them are still there. They're biodegradable, but she's doing a lot better than before. It looks badass. Thank you. So I'm also gonna give you the scheduling of what's happening for the next few weeks. So we got till June of 24th. There's gonna be a lot of gas, but it'll be filled in between with D&D for June and Warhammer. But all of May is all Tyranids. I'll tell you right now. Tyranids, and Tuesdays and Thursdays are STL files. Wednesdays are update videos for it. I'm trying to add some of the what you call it, the live stream for it, but I have a lot of videos, as you can see, scheduled for a lot of these things for it. And I am going to redo the Great Unclean one to look just like the armies that I have right here. I was just experimenting with other things, but I do like the contrast paint, the Plague Bearer Flesh. I think it's a very good one for it. But other than that, yeah, there are a lot of things I need to get. I need to get better metal paint from Vallejo as well. Need to finish up a couple stuff. I don't think I'm gonna be 3D printing more Warhammer anytime soon because after I'm done with the Nurgle army and Death Guard army, I gotta finish building and painting my Wrath of the Soul King ones and also the Leviathan one as well. So those two are the major ones, and I might think of just doing the original Ultra Space Marines. I know people are like upset about that, but it is what it is. My cat's crying outside, but that's okay. But that's what I'm thinking. But I don't know. I know the Leviathans, one of the Leviathans set the new flamethrowers, probably good with the Salamander, but I don't know. I know I gotta buy Lionel Johnson and also Dante, the new models of those that just released not that long ago as well. And I don't know what I'm getting for my birthday as well. So that's one other thing that I really don't know for it. But I'm going to put down the link down below for you guys to go check out. If you guys want to help support for this channel, get the model, let me paint it and display it, and let me play it with it too. So yeah. Well, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon Discord. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.